Hi, Vinay. Good morning.
Morning. Join అవుతారా ఇల్లు అవరా విజయ్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తున్నావు
హలో గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ విజయ్
ఈ వీక్ లో చూస్తున్నా.
వర్క్ ఏం లేదా
ఫోన్ చేస్తాను.
వర్క్ ఏం లేదా
వర్క్ అంతేం లేదన్న వర్క్. ఏమో ఈ రోజు తెలుస్తుంది. లాస్ట్ వీక్ అయితే ఏం లేదు. నేను ఫోన్ చేస్తాను ఈరోజు.
ఓకే
ఓకే.
వినయ్ వెంకట్ జాయిన్ అవుతారా?
ఏమో తెలియదు నాయ్.
ఓకే. చంద్ర అవుతాడు అవడం మరి. సరే, గివ్ me 2 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes. I'll just come back and we'll start the class. Okay, guys, we'll start the class. So, so we were discussing about the IDAX, right? So I've given you the overview of the IDAX, like what is the purpose of IDAX, like what they do, that I theoretically I just explained you. So 1 second. So now, as I told you, like, so IDAX will carry the data, right? So the IDAX will carry the data, and they will create that IDAX will create the documents, orders or delivery documents or invoice documents. That system will create those documents. Okay, so now here we will put some questions on our own. Okay, so that we will get to understand. అంటే మనకు మనమే కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుక్కుందాం, so that you will understand clearly. Okay, so what are those questions? Okay, first, how system creates the orders or deliveries or invoices. I mean, so how an IDOC will create order, any document, order or delivery or invoice. Okay, and how does system knows that it should create only the order or a delivery or invoice? Okay, and how system will know that if you are sending an outbound IDOC, how does system will know that it should go to only that customer or that receiver? Okay, you will have a multiple receivers receiving systems, right? Okay, you will be sending the IDOC from your SAP system. Okay, and it should go to some receiving system as any of the customer. How does system knows that it should go to only particular that customer or that receiver system? Okay, and when you are receiving the incoming IDOC, okay, how system knows that it should pick up only this customer, it should pick up only this sales order type, how system knows that it should pick up only the sales area. So these are all questions. If we ask ourselves, okay, we will understand it clearly. Okay, so first we will start it with the high level. How system knows that it should go to the other systems, or it should when it comes from the other systems, uh, how does system knows that it should create the sales order only or delivery only, invoice only? Okay, first let me open this. Okay, so first thing, in order to set up the IDOCs between two systems, okay, in order to set up IDOCs between two systems, first thing is like we create logical systems. Okay, logical system means our logical system, I would say our system, this will be done by a basis team, but yeah, I'll tell you, we will create a block, we will create the logical systems. Okay, logical system is nothing but your system name. You create a name, you make a name, you create a name to your system. Okay, and you also create a name to the other systems, and you assign the what I would say, you assign the ID, this thing, IP address. Okay, I'll just show you that. So basically, you just create a logical system. I'll go to first W20. So W20 is the T code. Remember this, W20 is a T code to have the partner profiles. Okay, go here, partner profiles. Okay, so we will have a different partners: bank, benefits provider, any benefits, business partner, customer, vendor, logical system, and user. Okay, so we mostly use handle with customers and logical systems from the SD point of view. Okay, okay, so when do you use customer, when do you use logical system? Is like when you're handling, when you're dealing with any system, I mean to say, you have some ordering portal. Okay, so from where you get the orders, I mean to say, you have some online, you get some orders from online also, like you have some online own online portal on your own, or you also depend, or if you also have your business with the other online portals like Flipkart, Amazon, or anything. Okay, so if you get orders from the different online portals, okay, so then it will be a logical system, right? It is like you're getting the orders from the from a system, from a portal. Okay, so that is called logical systems. Or if you directly get the orders from the customers, okay, you customer means like you directly customer will place an order to you, so that is called customers. Okay, but you don't try to understand much about these two things. Okay, it's like think normally. Okay, so we mostly work with the logical systems. Okay, so let us get into inside the logical system. Okay, so after creating the logical system, like this logical system will be created first by the basis team in the SM58 or somewhere some T code. They will create this logical system. Okay, and we assign the we use that logical system and create a partner profile here. So here, if you want to if you come to the partner type K customer, okay, so these are the different customers. Okay, so if you want to create the partner profile for any customer, first this customer should be existed in the system. Okay, in the same way, if you have to create any partner profile for any logical system, you should have this logical system created in the system first. Understand? Okay, and you that also don't take it seriously, but yeah, you should know that if you have to create a logical system partner profile, if you have to create a partner profile, okay, basically we if we have to create a partner profile, okay, this logical system should already been created in the system. Okay, okay, then we will use this logical system. We will use this logical system in the partner profiles. Same wise customer only, like if you have to create the partner profile for any customer. Okay, so first you should have this customer created in the system in xd01. In xd01 this customer should be existed, then only you can create the partner profile for that. Okay, in the same way, first this logical system should be created in the system, then only we can create the logical system for the partner profile for the logical system. Okay, so now let us get into the what is logical system, like what is partner profile. Okay, what data it will have. Okay, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. I'm looking for some right one so that it will give the why are I can't put icon icon Let's check out. Okay, let it be, no problem. I'll explain you. Okay, so basically what we create a partner profile, okay, for any logical system or any customer or any vendor, for any banker, anything. Okay, so basically we create partner profile. So basically if you have to set up the idocs between two systems, okay, so the first step that we do is like creation of the partner profile. Okay, so for example, if it is a any portal, any ordering portal, okay, any online portal, then we create a logical system. Okay, for that logical system we will set up the partner profile. Okay, so what partner profile will contain, what partner profile will have is, okay, so in the partner profile, so say for example this is one of the partner profile. In the partner profile we will mention the outbound parameters, inbound parameters, nothing but outbound message types, okay, and inbound message types. Okay, it means what are the outbound message types you will send, and what are the inbound message types you will receive from this partner. Okay, from this partner, okay, what are the message types you will receive and what are the message types you will send. Okay, as I told you, like message type will define, message type will decide what it should do, what the IDOC should do. Like if it is a, if it should create an order, or if it should create a delivery, or it should do picking, packing, or it should create invoice, or it should give you any confirmation, okay, or it should send any confirmation. So these and all message type will decide. Okay, so like say for example, you have a no logical system, like you have a ordering portal. Okay, so what will happen, you push the orders from there. I mean to say, you have your own ordering portal example. Okay, so customers will come and place the orders there. Okay, so say for example you have a Apple, yeah, you are an Apple company. Okay, so Apple will have its own website where you can go and place the order, where you can go and purchase any Apple product. Okay, so if you purchase one Apple product, okay, what it should do, that should come into SAP and create a sales order. Okay, understand, right? So because Apple is using SAP, okay, if you buy anything from the, say for example, if you buy anything from the Flipkart or Amazon, or if you buy anything from the online ordering portal, or if you buy any from any of the online source, okay, so this that order should come into SAP and create a sales order, because Apple is using SAP. Okay, so SAP, it should definitely be created a order in the SAP, because if it creates the sales order in SAP only, they will have all the, you know, reports and all. Okay, so now you went into the on Apple website. Okay, you purchased one mobile, Apple mobile. Okay, so immediately what will happen, that those order details will flow into SAP through an IDOC. Okay, so then, and that will create an order. Okay, so first, to create an order, what is the message type, you can write down if you are not aware. Okay, the message type will be ORDERS. One second. ORDERS is the message type. One second. Message types. Okay, orders message type. to create the sales order, to create sales order. Okay, so now what is happening? This orders message type, okay, an IDOC with orders message types. Okay, like here I show you, you can see, let me open. This is basically I'm in WE02. You can see this is the orders IDOC. This is outbound, but yeah, so it will be like this orders message type. Okay, so now, so what will happen when you create the when you place an order, when you purchase anything from the Apple website directly, that those order details will flow into SAP, and that will create a sales order. Okay, so what is happening now? It is coming into the SAP. Okay, it is coming into Apple SAP. It means for Apple it is an incoming IDOC, right? Since it is coming inside, it is an incoming IDOC, and that is coming and creating the sales order. Okay, so what it should be? It should be the message type should be orders. Okay, so here what you have to mention, say for example, icon ls01, this is the partner profile. Think that this is the, okay, I'll do one thing, I'll create one. Okay, I'm creating this. I just clicked on create option. Okay, or if I have to create something, then I should have the this thing, logical system. Okay, that will not happen. Okay. That's okay. Let's go to, so think that this is the Apple's partner logical system. Okay, so here what you should have, you should have the orders message type assigned here in the inbound parameters, because orders is your incoming IDOC. Okay, so I'll add this here. Okay, first, just to add this. Okay, just to add this, 1 second, I'll come back. Okay, so first, at the time of creation of the partner profile, we have to add here. So to add this, you can click on plus button here. For adding outbound, you can click plus button here. So you have to click on plus option, and you have to add the message types. Okay, I'll click plus here. Okay, what is our message type? ORDERS. Okay, this is our message type. Okay, processing, process code is must. Process code will define what it should do. ORD, yeah. 1 second. ORDE. Okay, ORDE is the process code for the creation of the sales order. I'll just show you this. ORDE, orders create sales order. Okay, this will help you to, this process code will help you to create the sales order. I'll show you in deep of this. Okay, this is what you have to select. Okay, click enter and then save it. Okay, you are into the, okay, go back. Upper time. Okay, so these are, you have to enter and save it. Okay, I'll again go in deep. Okay, so what basically what we have to do here is, for any partner profile, okay, for any partner profile, you have to add the inbound message types and outbound message types. Okay, so since you are getting the from the Apple ordering portal, you receive the orders, but you don't give orders to the portal, right? I mean, so you receive the orders from the portal, so that is why you are using the orders message types here. and in return what you send back to the portal, you will just send the confirmation, right? So normally what will happen when customer places an order, okay, after placing the order, you will send the confirmation to the customer, right? So in order to send that, what will happen, first when the customer places an order in the portal, that will flow into an SAP, right? And that will create an order through IDAC. So, and in return, you have, after the sales order is created, in return you have to send the confirmation back to the customer. Okay, how you will send it? So in order to send the confirmation back to the customer, we have to use the, now we are sending, I mean, we are sending out from the SAP, from the SAP Apple SAP account. Okay, from the Apple SAP, from Apple SAP system, you are sending out an IDAC. What IDAC you will be sending? A confirmation IDAC, sales order confirmation IDAC, like that sale order is received and the sale order is confirmed karke, you are sending a confirmation IDAC. So that will be your orders P, like here orders ORDRS P karke one will be there. I'll just show you if it is there here. I'll just show you. If it is not, you can see this orders P is there. Okay, you just need to add this message type orders P. Okay, here you need to add this orders P, and here in this outbound parameters you have to add the receiving port. Okay, because if you take the incoming IDAC, okay, they are just coming into your system. Okay, so and here you have to send it to the receiver system, you have to send it to the customer or any portal. So to send this IDAC to them, you need to know the address, right? You need to know the address. If you have to send a letter to anybody, you need to write a address on this, right? So that is called that this port receiver port will carry the IP address of the system. Okay, so this is called port. Okay, this port we will create in the, okay, W21. Okay, this will be created by the basis team. They will create and give it to us, we will use it. Okay, this is the port. Okay, what is this port? Transactional RFC. This is transactional RFC. Okay, YRI CONPRT, confirmation port. See, this is YRI CNA port. Okay, this is, so in this port you have this RFC destination icon RFC. Okay, icon RFC. Okay, 1 second. So okay, so in this port you have this RFC destination. This is RFC. Okay, so this RFC destination, this port all will be created basis team, but just it should be it, but you also should aware. So okay, I'll open this RFC destination in SM59. Okay, SM59 is the T code. Let's see, SM59 or 58. Okay, yeah, SM59 is the T code. Okay, to see the RFCs. Okay, so now connection RFC connections. Let's see where it is. I clicked on search button. RFC destination I'm pasting here. Search. Okay, I'm just double click on it. T means here, it is here. Okay, see, this is the RFC destination. You can see RFC destination icon RFC. Okay, it will be like this. So they will create a RFC destination here. We don't need to know anything about this, but they will our basis team will create this RFC destination, and they will create a port, and in this port they will assign this RFC destination. Okay, and we will use this port in the partner profile. Okay, they will just give us this port so that we will use this port in the partner profile. Okay, so now I will show you what exactly here in this. here if you see this gateway host, gateway service, here they will maintain, and logon system, here they will maintain the system ID and client. Since this is the test system, nobody has maintained the details. Okay, so basically here you will have the gateway host name and service host name you will have, and in the logon in this you will have, they will maintain the password also, system ID, client, somewhere they will maintain the password. Send logon, if they select this, somewhere they maintain the password and all. Okay, so but you don't need to know much about this still. Let me open any others. You can see here in this it has a gateway host. Okay, like this. Okay, so likewise they will create the host RFC connection. So this will help us to connect with the other systems. Okay, so this RFC they will create, basis team will create, and this RFC they will use it in the port. They will create a port and they will assign the port RFC destination here. Okay, and we will use this port in the partner profile here, creation of the partner profile, so that what will happen is, like, whenever the IDOC trigger to this logical system, okay, it will take the IP address in the port, from this port. Understand what will happen whenever an IDOC is triggered, outbound IDOC is triggered from SAP system. I'm repeating again, whenever the outbound IDOC trigger from SAP to this logical system, okay, it will go to the RFC destination which is maintained in this port. Okay, understand? Any doubts here? Okay, so in any outbound message type, okay, outbound parameters, in any outbound parameters, in any outbound message type, we have to mention the receiver port. Okay, and this is the message type. Okay, this what this will do, this will just give you the confirmation. You can see purchase order or say order confirmation, purchase order or a sales order confirmation. So basically it is a purchase order confirmation, like, because customer is purchasing, right? So you give the confirmation to his purchase order. Okay, so what will happen, it will go to the portal, or it will go to the customer, and it will give the confirmation that we have received your order and the order is confirmed to deliver on so and so time and date. Okay, it deliver on the so and so date and time. Okay, so that is how it will do. And this is the basic type orders 05. So as I told you, like, basic type is the higher level one. Okay, this basic type will have the message types. Okay, I mean to say these message types are assigned to the basic type. Like I told you ORDERS, orders, that is responsible for creating the sales order. Orders P, this is responsible for giving the confirmation. We have orders CHG, that means change. Okay, that is responsible for making any changes in the sales order. Okay, so these all three will comes under the basic type orders 05. Okay, these three will be assigned to the orders 05. So basically this is the higher level one, this orders 05 will be on the higher level. Okay, and so now, how when you create a sales order, okay, how an IDOC will generate when you create a sales order, I mean to say, so far you understand, right? Okay, now, so